Don't worry, Cap.
Hohoe.
For now, I don't know how it will be aired.
My own statement be. I don't know whether it's current. About Kotoko trip to America. Oh.
Yeah, I've seen that one too.
Way free one more.
It's for the supporters now.
Okay, and I'm say, Omo announced say, team never go America, yes sir.
Yeah.
And that
October.
what happens to Ukobino?
As a fan,
you should do what?
you should have some requirements.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
To America. Requirement
The requirements in the instant visa no. But they are trying to say that you can't go to the embassy say oh you're Kotoko fan or Koshena ebia we need a Kotoko card. So they are also trying to take advantage of the moment.
Then omo a man go for hope sir. Yeah, hard Janessa say.
Okay.
For Abu Sensos.
My worry with this release
American High Commission
embassy. Yeah, they come supporters na CC for no. I say mo da come Fairmont traveling to who they are going to so e be wie no na afei menkutua we makoye nsem bebre okruma si. I think say Sunday weekend giving people force.
America kono.
Because the team na ankasampo no.
The kind of things.
The last time.
I say maybe was I'm sure. I say no crack kambum.
Yes, exactly.
Say ordinarily, if you want to travel to America, say make a ball na maba. That is a holiday. It's a vacation. So then I will yeah. Say na you chiao. Auntie, when you sika, so to ticket. And they are America. I cover ball as Saba. So, how many times have you been traveling with the team? Ghana, how could you much saying? So, those are the things you should know.
You can have pictures attached to
your if you are Kumasi team, no Kumasi. If you have a buyer, a crown tango.
Tuni ma ticket crown.
You mo kwa America. Also kwa America ko yo masaba. Joso munya daji church o mu no obi ankofa ne kakre da wo. Anko esemi wo fabu tell me to fabu census me ID card. People will be taking advantage ne bi asebe. Nti mo ma yenya daji na yenchire mu yese.
America na be ba kwa ye den pa e date pe.
Yeah.
Date no bi koju obi 10.
And you just say as at last week na October 2025. Date had be interview kra bi ni ho. Also, yeah, very we answer. Data, you dikobusu as a document. So we'll cause you musamasem. And also, those are, and there may be also kakra and go for and take advantage and go do BSC.
No, I think
this is a release. No, may I understand the near say, send your old car, Usika 70 adeno. One of the things is why then if you are applying or maybe something to show if you're a Kotoko fan.
Oh, of course.
Which clearly. They say bit me actually say Kotoko fan is a fabu
no ID card
and no Kotoko ID no. So it makes it more like
okay. In terms of these are the basics.
Yes.
Before you even start the journey, get this.
Because when you we now found say I'm a
registered member of the club.
Yes, you should be a registered member of the club. And the only way which me actually say a registered member of the club at the moment. Fabu census and a Kotoko ID. The next ababe can requirements are which 10 need
basic. Those are basics.
Because
economic ties, social ties.
But
America, they want travelers.
With that,
the infantry. Unko baby,
based on the
unko very ball crowd to good.
When I do neighbors, I say, where are you going? Or say, I'm going to America. When I refuse, because baby, I'm going America.
That's in the exams.
No, but that is mostly that's the first question.
Exams.
So they work order. That's the first question. Oh, Cohen was in America. Embassy now, you know, America.
Oh, we know myself. Oh, Ghana. My back crowd.
For now, for the Don't Worry Cup, I think there'll be a better commentary, and the fans will have to listen to because maintains any media house at all the right to show. And the last time Kotoko against Gold Stars, you know, in Central for an hour Cape Coast said there was an instruction said Kotoko will be arbitral game live. Yes, so it shows that anybody who can show this game should either be Kotoko or
Hohoe.
But based on videos now, what they bar on my YouTube page, and then they bar Montino. I think the quality wasn't bad. They should start from somewhere. Into
Where they started there?
Kotokonano as a club, to based on the eagerness of the supporters to see the team even before season the best starting. I think among creating an avenue a China game, no. Don't worry, cap no. The tomb between on
Live.
any of their social media platforms for supporters.
I think at the moment Kotoko need the ability to show it live.
How many the ability?
Yes.
Oh, now see
Oh, say one second, Baba.
You can outsource.
No, to Baba. You can plan with internet and all those things. But to say Kotoko team no be free, maybe I keep coasting there. Alcohol. So sometimes at the moment, I make us a jibo. Less if you are being frank, the level of investment.
You outsource these things.
When they say difficult.
Get somebody there. Somebody should travel from Accra to Hohoe.
But
Get the gadgets, everything.
I
Say,
know my
games
GBC cost more than even 30,000 Ghana.
Let somebody
But
do it.
the chances of them making that 30,000 Ghana cedis
Easily.
from one day.
And go for it.
One day. Say you are building the platform to create awareness. Whilst in the future, unya numbers no, it will turn into money. Bloggers here
and responsibility towards your supporters. And yet the also unyamfa so showing the players that you have, giving your supporters the opportunity to know your new players. And no nyamfa so nkwao. Because be am hu events entry na wajidi kaka Emmanuel entry events. If I see Emmanuel entry, the mind and then Ada Emmanuel entry we Kumasi, I want to go and see this boy. Nti dey be near the bia na emfa so say you invested
the last time Obed one okachire say must before now how many k
60 something.
And the chira was say if we a wow platform now would here. Just imagine the number of people that will watch it.
And your 5 minutes before we run.
I think say if they spend anything more than 10,000, it might be difficult to get that one from one game, unless they add adverts and other things. But
it's possible. They are creating content.
So that one
if you are monetize here, they will give them money. At the end of the day, you need to put information there. Say they be able to create the traffic for people to come and watch. Not turning into ska. Now why any the Bema Sikanaba do better than Sikanaba.
Discussing about how our clubs should get integrated marketing communication skills.
Of course.
Boom, and then all the tools and the channels. Boom, before the league. I'm ready to come and watch. I'm very ready.
Our problem for precision no serious.
As a business.
Venture, okay. Because
but I'm sure Democracy Cup will give you some money. I'm sure the Umkobo or Media Mano will get you some money. I'm sure the Hohoe team will give them some money. So on that score, they are leveraging.
Yeah, but they can do more than.
It's very good. It's a good start.
Matches are
money free. Yeah, money free. So at least that's a plus.
Go stars there now.
And look at how many gates. Nipa ba. Nipa ba obedi gates.
Break even.
Abuwa osono. Zutu.
Yeah.
Asase a osono edidi osono. Jatampo one ne nche asase no.
Osono dia.
Osono dia. So tire meche na se. Into osono yusu ne kese bibia mu no. Ejije ne pen bia. Oma wo mesisi no.
Osono a wo kan nya MPP wo abo osono na wo.
Abo osono na me de kan.
Mo bi nkase bia.
Tina me kase. Kese na asem na ye kan no. Ti se ti right. Kotoko bo me de me. Ebia bo hu ne bia sky de ma kotoko. Because it be a go facing a near Pekka Canadian amount. We na mass TV for abitwa. They are called social media platforms. One bosume swan was a mass TV increase your viewership. Maybe a bosuma could give $30,000-$40,000. And Gassa no come by Coca Humbi. So to me, do you do this all these calculations before I know intend to negotiation? I must start somewhere. Entina make us say. Yeah, the air can in
studios.
Yes, the air can in yes. The Obedo and as in an boarding. Yeah, quay and some air can in ano, how I, Yabema clubs no. Omaya financially stable.
Yeah.
Yes. Or Sorena also koto player. Tutu. Unse player na okoto nabano. E dise fata. So this a player neba because o wakande no. Obi kura akọ na okofa foforo abehye na nan a. De okofa na ba uska. So te atonto ne wan de elale mu nyina mo to
Obi
but the difference ne say ono okoton yes okoton player elale North Africa no or Tony player 3 million, 4 million, $5 million. So te me say oh, a lot of initiatives I mean moving forward, especially this season, because yet me more another season so to be na Emmanuel Ntwia ya kana asemi based on what the whole showcase no say a good season clubs be ni best start here because the profile no dey ban so our picture be only Vinicius Junior I am not target to get access so only Vinicius Junior kura be gina one foot na na twa picture no one obi a akrete yi obi a person obere ye be we season no ye be we season no be the $100,000 e be fa no uni option because it's Tanzania na afa ye ko pen replacement this year kwa ye what achiman no
Jibo medal say for Nezak finally.
But that is the truth.
Yeah.
It's bullet ban what